it's Izabela Kosmowska. I have pork sausage fresh from the farm. Wendy picked it up today, and I'm going to have them bake in the oven to have a nice easy meal for the dinner with the salad I've made earlier. So I preheat the oven to 375, and I have cast iron pan. I'm going to dab a little bit of organic coconut oil. I'm using my fingers because there's only two of us. That's okay. And I will put nice sizzling sausage. And I will put the sausage for probably 25 to 30 minutes. And I have diced some, not diced, but sliced red onion, which will make a nice extension to taste of this. And we'll put this in the oven, and I'm going to serve this with the salad and some rice and some bok choy, steamed bok choy. So it'll be very easy dinner for tonight. I'm going to put for 30 minutes and at 275 again. Enjoy. Halfway through the sausages, we're going to turn them over so they can brown both ways nicely. And there we go. And we have another 13 minutes to go at 375. If your oven is not as hot, you can do it 385. And let's put them back in. There we go. Another 13 minutes and the dinner will be ready. And our dinner is going to be served. I have the sausages. I put some rice, which we just cooked. A little bit of sausage. A little bit of nice bok choy. So I have some greenery. A little bit of salt, pinch of salt. And very nice pumpkin oil from Austria, I should say. Just drizzle nicely. It's very black, but it's very good. And this is your dinner for tonight with the creamy Caesar salad with tahini sauce. Enjoy, everybody.